Overnight, Wall Street was aiming to rebound hard from its Friday's plunge where the Dow Jones Industrial Average posted its worst day of 2025 and most importantly, ended at its lowest close since 16th January. Despite the slight improvement in sentiments, GIFT Nifty is indicating that Nifty is likely to start the day on a cautious note as bears aim to rule the roost at Dalal Street. Now, before we get into detail, here is a gentle reminder that our stock markets will be closed on Wednesday, 26th February on account of Mahashivratri. Meanwhile, our call of the day suggests the expected panic and bearishness at Dalal Street is quite predictable as Nifty's future outlook is as clear as mud and also considered murky amidst relentless FII's selling. FII's net sellers in this calendar year 2025 to the tune of Rs 130,636 crores. Long story short, Nifty's underperformance shall continue until FIIs return to their buying desk. Market trends. Global cues are negative. In Monday's session, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 60 to 87 crores while DIIs net bought shares to the tune of Rs 5186 crores. Sentiments are likely to be risky. Market breadth for the day is likely to be negative. Nifty's technicals are aiming for lower high-low on the daily charts. FANO January month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 22,000 to 24,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index has slipped towards 14.44 levels. At last check, USD INR was seen hovering at 86.70. Nifty PCR, 27th February, is at 0.624 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 27th February, is at 0.74. Nifty outlook, a miserable day quite likely for Nifty bulls. What technicals tells us on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty, CMP 22553. Biggest support on Nifty is placed only at 22,350 mark. Immediate intraday resistance is placed only at 22,850 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 2350 and 2850. Bias for the day is negative. Bank Nifty, CMP 48652. Bank Nifty's make or break support seen at 47,844 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 49,500 mark closing basis. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 48,000 and 49,000. Bias for the day is negative. Stock market news. Nifty is likely to stay on the back foot for the sixth straight day amidst three negative catalysts. 1. The street fears stagflation is returning in the US. 2. Trump tariffs set to begin 2nd April could disrupt global trade and trigger retaliatory tariffs. 3. Fed's January minutes were mostly seen reinforcing cautious approach to rate cuts this year. Meanwhile, in yesterday's trade, all sectoral indices ended in red except Nifty FMCG, plus 0.38% and Nifty Auto, plus 0.24%. Nifty IT Index, minus 2.83%, was the biggest underperformer as Infosys, minus 2.87%, TCS, minus 3.04% and HCL Tech, minus 3.38% were the biggest laggards. Please note, Nifty IT Index is down 9% this calendar year 2025 as against Nifty's 4.62%. The biggest negative takeaway from yesterday's trade was that Nifty Metal Index also received drubbing, down 2.27% and most importantly, snapped its 5-day winning streak. The broader stock markets also succumbed to profit booking, Nifty Mid Cap, minus 0.94% and Nifty Small Cap, minus 1.14%. Indices inched lower and ended on a negative note. The Gyan Mantra, initiating aggressive long positions at Dalal Street is like building a skyscraper on top of quicksand. Caution continues to be the buzzword for permabulls. Technically, with intraday perspective, confirmation of strength only if Nifty closes above its psychological 23,000 mark.